Hi guys, and welcome back to the craft table. Look at that, I'm using a canvas. I have leftover paint. I still have leftover paint, I always do. But this is from the tile pour with the purples. And I only have just little bits. And I made up some more white. I want to do a cloud pour using these colors just to see what happens. And I am going to use my canvas because I haven't used a canvas in quite a while. So, shall we get to work? And there you have it. I'm not sure what it is, because it was cloud pour, ring pour, Dutch pour. Let's just get rid of some paint pour type thing, but it's amazing. It is the most interesting that I've ever done. There are so many different aspects to this. It's really crazy. And remember, I will show you close-ups at the end, but this is, I kind of like it. I really do. There's so much going on, so many things to look at and to see. And there was no silicone, but I got lacing, I got cells. It's pretty crazy. It must have been a good day. And yes, this is dry. It did sit, I let it sit overnight, and half of a day I totally, to be honest, I got frustrated, thought I was going to end up trashing the whole thing and including the video, and then I came out this morning and this was here and I go, oh my goodness. So I like it. I'm sure that there's people out there that don't like it, but I do. I'm really, really happy. I'm totally surprised and I'm loving it. And another thing that I love is you coming by and spending these 5-10 minutes with me. I really, really appreciate it. And if you did like this, no matter how goofy it was, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more of my goofiness, hit the subscribe, and have a great week. I promise I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.